Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a new Tundra here. So I had one of you guys ask me a question. I realized I've never made a video about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer the question. It's about the odometer and how to flip from the odometer to the service odometer, trip odometers and things like that on a Tundra or Sequoia. I'm gonna show you that right now. So on the inside here, you can see everything is pretty easy to see here. But you over here, so on the left side of the dash, you're gonna be able to see that you've got 11 miles is showing on this one right here. So if you want to change that, it's really easy to do. You just come down over here on your left side, so it says ODO trip, right? And you just hit this button. So every time you hit the button, it does something different. So I've got us in a pretty good view here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit that button right now. And you'll see I've gone to trip A, and it's got 11.9 miles. Hit this again, there's trip B, 11.9 miles. Hit it again. Now this is what screws people up a lot of times. 9981. So you get your brand new car, it's got 9,900 miles on it. That's not 9,900 miles on the car. What that is that little wrench is your service interval, meaning that your oil change is in 9,981 miles, right? So if I hit that same odometer button again, you're gonna see now I go back to the odometer at 11 miles. So now if I come back through here and I hit this button again one more time, which brought me back to the 11.9, and now I'm going to press and hold this button, and when I pressed and held that button, you see it brought me back to 0 on your miles till empty. And I'll show you here on trip B. I'll come over here, so trip B, and watch what happens when I press and hold to 0 miles. So I've got everything set to 0 miles, right? Now a lot of people ask, well, if I go back over here and I press and hold it on the wrench, what does that give me? Absolutely nothing, right? It doesn't actually reset it there. In order to reset your miles till empty, you actually have to go through here. In order to do that, you're gonna push it over to the right till you get to that little gear right there, right? And then I like to go up on this little button right here. You see where it says vehicle settings that I've gone up to? Press and hold the middle, which is okay. That gets you to here. I'm going to push up again on the same thing. You got scheduled maintenance right there to reset. Scheduled maintenance is your every 5,000 mile maintenance. So that's the one that will come up as your maintenance reminder every 5,000. The one that this one is your oil maintenance. So you're going to come down here to your oil maintenance. You see that's lit up right there now. It's got the box around it. So it's got the little box around it here. I'm going to press the OK button here one time. And now it says reset data. I'm going to go up to yes because it defaults to no. And I'm going to hit the very center button again right here on the OK. And now you can see 99.99 miles until your oil maintenance is redo or is set to do. So and you can get it back. Hit this this button here again, and you'll get it back to where your odometer is correct, right? But that is the way that you can reset the odometer, the trip odometers A and B, and then reset your service maintenance interval and your oil interval and your service interval, which are different things, on your Toyota Tundra, Sequoia, 22 and newer in those. Let me know if that helped you out. Steve Welch here, always trying to help you guys, and definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great